What is up, everyone? Thought I'd do a quick little video. I just picked up a 5 terabyte Seagate hard drive off of Amazon on their Black Friday special. It just showed up. I thought I'd open it up, show you what's inside. Planning on using it for storage of my videos, just so I have some extra storage space. External drive for your PC, Mac, or Chromebook. A couple of other things there. Thought I would just do a quick open the box up, show you what's in it. Nice compact size. Comes with your cabling and also the hard drive. We'll just set that right there. Packaged pretty good. Comes with a little bit of instructions. Roughly about 3 inches. It'll fit in the palm of my hand, so it's not huge, but easy for storage and stuff. 5 terabytes. Link will be in the description. I am not associated with Amazon, but I just thought I would pass on a good deal. You guys have a great evening.